Hey, Facebook, it's Robert Weichelt and Lou Chavez here for another episode of Weichelt Wednesday. We're talking a Realtor Spotlight with my friend Lou Chavez. How are you, buddy?
Very good, very good.
Good. Tell us, how's your new year been?
New Year has been fantastic. And this new year, I plan to push and promote eXp Realty exclusively every day.
Oh, I like that. That sounds good.
Yes.
So, you know what, with that said, talk to me about your business background. You got a really interesting resume. Share with the folks at home your real estate resume.
Well, thank you, Robert. I started in real estate back in the early 70s, should I say, in Albuquerque, New Mexico. However, I went from real estate and I went into the Navy. I stayed in the Navy long enough to retire. But when I retired, I wanted to get back into the field of real estate because that's where you can help people accomplish their American dream, home ownership. And I like selling houses and helping people accomplish their real estate goals. However, I also realize that Americans have another dream. American dream is to own a business.
Yeah.
So for the next about 12 years, I sold businesses.
So business brokerage.
I was a business
Excellent,
broker.
okay.
I went from residential real estate to selling businesses. 9 years ago, however, I got diagnosed with congested heart failure. Oh. And I was told by the doctors that I was going to die in 5 years' time. I didn't believe the doctors. I went to the internet. And the internet said, statistically, you have 5 years to live after a congested heart failure.
So they told you how long you had, and then you went and verified it. You're like, oh, man.
So I waited
What'd
for
you
5
do?
years.
Waited for 5 years that to happen?
And nothing happened.
Wow.
I lived in San Diego. I lived in a healthy city. So I guess that helps out that I didn't die. But once I didn't die.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Last time I checked.
Once I didn't die, it's like, what am I going to do now?
Yeah.
So I renewed my broker's license. I was going to get back into the business of selling businesses, but then I got diagnosed with stage 3 cancer in the throat.
On top of what you went through?
Yes.
Oh, my. Okay.
So from one medical issue, I went to another medical issue.
Okay.
Robert, you know, when you're selling real estate, whether it's a house or a business, you're always making money.
Yeah.
You know what happens when you're not working?
You're not making money.
You're not making money at all.
Yeah.
And that's what I like about eXp. eXp has some programs that have residual income coming in.
Yes.
Has stock options coming in.
Yes.
And it has the best auction online platform possible. It is a thing of the future.
Yeah.
It is no longer brick and mortar operations. It is real estate on the clouds, in the clouds.
You know what? You said you hit the nail on the head. You were down and out.
Down and out.
And what the best part I remember talking to you about is you lived like a tourist because why not? You're in San Diego.
Exactly.
So you said, hey, if I'm going to die in 5 years, I'm going to live it up.
Exactly.
But what you did is you didn't die. You're still here.
I didn't die.
And so you said, well, I'm getting back into it. Went and got redid your license.
Right.
Started going out there and rocking and rolling. Then you got the throat cancer. Yeah. So you're thinking, wait a second. And guess what? It's hard to work when you have those illnesses.
It certainly is.
And that's what's so attractive with eXp. Our good friend Bob Mangold, he fell off a 3-story roof.
Oh, my God.
Try working from a hospital bed when you're broken up. I can't imagine showing property or taking listings when I'm laid up. Same thing with you. When you're recovering and trying to get healthy, it's really hard to go out and show property. And I can tell you, a lot of the folks at home that are listening to this are thinking, wait a second, if something happened to me, I would be financially devastated. And I could probably speak for just about everybody that's watching this.
Oh, yes.
That would be the same thing. Our auction platform allows us to take as many listings as we humanly can handle, working with the for sale by owner and our buyer premium.
But it's not just the listings, Robert. It is
Yeah.
the buyers coming in.
Yeah.
You don't get one or two. You get 100 or 200 people coming in at the same time, and they're all eager to buy. That's what makes it
This guy
exciting.
is fired up. You got the auction platform not only getting the listings, but not only that, you're getting hundreds of buyers for our open house, which we've proven.
Exactly.
But also, you get a chance to introduce this opportunity to your agent friends that you've built throughout the relationship, throughout your career, and that gives you the residual income that when you decide you want to step away from the day-to-day transactions, you have that residual income coming in. So this is actually, when you look at eXp in the dictionary, I think your face needs to be in there because, right? We're in a studio audience and everybody, But my point is, he should be the textbook, what eXp is all about. So if you're watching this, you want to make it a change to get your business to where it needs to be through the auction platform.
Exactly.
If you want to just work with buyers, come on down. We've got plenty of those.
Exactly.
And it's just a wonderful way to go. All the technology and the cloud base Oh, you know what, Lou? You hit all the nails on the head, brother.
Thank you
and I
very
tell you
much.
what, it's good to have you around, my friend.
I'm glad to be here.
So from Robert Weichelt with EXP, another episode of Weichelt Wednesday with our agent spotlight, Lou Chavez.
Nice.
Have a great day.